Hello everyone, it's Lucas from Altus. Today, we are going to learn how to use the ton timer on MasterTool for the Nexto Xpress series. For that, let's select the component called ton in the toolbox and drag it to the network. Then press Enter to declare a variable called ton0, of type ton. Press OK. Now let's define the internal parameters. In this first parameter, in is a Boolean variable that will enable the timer to perform the count. So, let's declare in the input contact a symbolic variable called enable ton. Press Enter to open the self-declaring variables field, confirm it is a Boolean type and press OK. Right below, in the PT field, we refer to the predetermined time that will elapse when we enable the block. Let's define a time constant of the form, t, #5, s of seconds. Parameter q is the output. When all the defined time has elapsed, the output is activated. Let's insert a coil into the output and define it as digital output 5 of the controller, output q05. The ET parameter shows the time that has elapsed since the timer block was enabled. This parameter will not be used. So, let's right-click on the block and select Remove Unused FB Call Parameters. Now let's do a login to test. Select Online, Login and then Yes. Let's enable the timer block by double-clicking on the input. Press Ctrl plus F7 to write the true value. The block will start counting 5 seconds and will enable the output when it finishes counting. If we expand the variable tom_0, we can see all the parameters being changed. To count again, let's disable this block. Let's enable again the block with the prepared value. Click and press Ctrl plus F7. Note that the ET field is the time that has elapsed since we enabled the in parameter. After 5 seconds the output is enabled. So, this was our 20th lesson for Nexto Xpress series. Don't forget to follow Altus channels on Facebook and YouTube. Thanks everyone, see you next time.